Welcome to the Strategic Roadmap to Solar Energy, a technical framework designed specifically for homeowners. This video will guide you through the critical phases of a solar investment. The new energy paradigm treats your roof as a personal power plant. You must rigorously analyze your energy habits, assess your physical property, and understand financial models before investing. Phase 1 is the sizing equation. Calculate your average monthly kilowatt hours using utility bills to predict your system size. For example, 300 units per month typically requires a 3 kilowatt system. Understand the daytime energy gap. Solar panels produce maximum power at noon. If your house is empty, you waste solar potential. Heavy night usage requires battery storage, which increases initial costs. Phase 2 is the physical diagnostic compass. Not every roof supports a solar investment. Assess your roof structure, check for shading, ensure adequate space, and confirm optimal orientation for maximum energy yield. Efficiency has a real estate requirement. Solar panels need unobstructed physical space. A 1 kilowatt system requires 80 to 100 square feet. A standard 5 kilowatt system needs 400 to 500 square feet. The orientation blueprint for the Northern Hemisphere dictates that south-facing roofs are the gold standard, providing maximum direct sunlight. West-facing roofs are a secondary option for strong afternoon sun. Phase 3 is the financial landscape. Government incentives bridge the cost gap. In the USA, the Federal Investment Tax Credit offers a 30% deduction. Other countries, like India, have direct subsidy schemes. Net metering mechanics treat the grid as a free battery system. Excess electricity flows to the grid, causing the power meter to run backward, and homeowners use these credits on cloudy days. Phase 4 involves the system architecture matrix. Select equipment for long-term performance. On-grid systems are most affordable but dependent on the grid. Hybrid systems offer a moderate cost with blackout backup. The cell technology matrix balances efficiency and budget. Monocrystalline panels are uniform, highly efficient, and best for limited roof space. Polycrystalline panels are more affordable but offer moderate efficiency. The solar feasibility equation demands 4 foundational pillars: historical usage data, optimal physical space, local incentives, and the correct architecture. These lead to long-term financial freedom. Your immediate next steps are to calculate ROI using online tools, audit the site with a professional shade report, and secure financing by reviewing bank-issued green loans for lower interest rates.